Welcome to the world of FR Clips, presenting the new clips of FR Clips. I'm your host who is guiding this video to a new excellent level, FRKJR, and the duo creator, Rakesh, presenting the new clip of FR Clips. So let's go for it. Let's get straight forward to it. New YouTubers, because we get a lot of discouraged during this time because our subscribers don't increase. We get discouraged because some people make a lot of videos but they don't get that type of appreciation level. So I have found out a new application which means Tubebuddy, where you can see that these are the subscribers we were got till right now. 60 subscribers, where you can see the comments and you can see the milestone. We are still on looking for it because 5 to go, because we have already made 25 uploads and still 5 to go. If we complete this milestone, we will get a certificate which will inspire us to go next level and make our YouTube channel still better, to give you a good content. Not only this is just the begin, we are giving a latest technology video, but in the future date we will give you some comedy videos and some entertaining videos which will be useful to your daily life. And so here you can see the YouTube's news. YouTube is lowering minimum video length for minimum. There you can see the what are the YouTubes are thinking about their YouTubes, where they can make changes, where their subscribers cannot be hacked. All these things will be there. So our channel sign, if you want to sign on, it has been given a, where you can see where you can see it has been given 3.8 star, 1 million plus downloads. You can believe it. So if you like this video, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the damn subscribe button. Oh yeah, have a yap up day.